Come on and eat. In the Tagalog language, kain na po tayo. And we have pancit, spaghetti. Wow. And we have some cheese that we are going to sprinkle according to your taste. Wow. I'm holding my camera at the same time. All right. The aroma of all our delicious ingredients from the creator's source. Our pancit spaghetti with spices, and we're going to enjoy more of my beloved mom's exquisite food recipes. That is my beautiful beloved mom, former beauty queen, and more. And there's her gourmet cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine, cookbook recipes. And this book, along with my 21 other books, are available worldwide in all bookstores, Amazon, Ex Libris, and at my website, juanitagutierrez.com. Yes, that's me speaking to you about the video. The author, writer, New York City school teacher here in the USA, who I am, Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. The aroma of my mom's delightful cooking. We're always excited to go to the kitchen and our dining table, excuse me please. I'm so excited to dine with you. My mom is the best chef the Gutierrez family will ever have, and mom taught us how to cook as well, but mom is the unbeatable chef and very intelligent. She's very good in mathematics, and she is a scholar in her school days as well, and the first woman ever elected public official in our hometown, and a top-notcher at that, and proposed and founded the only public high school where I, her daughter, yes, that's me speaking to you about the video, Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, first taught as a new school teacher and was unanimously elected the youngest teacher association president, while my dad, twice town leader, approved the public school budget after he retired as a USA stenographer typist at the airport. And then I transferred to the city of Manila to be the English professor at the university where my brothers and sisters and I studied from elementary, high school, all the way to our college degrees, and then here in New York City. And I'm also a speaker trainer of all teachers and more delightful food recipes, way of life, Philippine traditions, Tagalog learning are in this exquisite gourmet, one of a kind, special, the finest Philippine cuisine cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine, cookbook recipes #1, written by yours truly, Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSCD, and I am inviting you all. Let's enjoy pancit, noodle spaghetti with cheese. Wow. Come on and eat. Let's enjoy dining. Happy, cheerful cooking to everyone. This is fit for kings and queens like you and me. And also this is most flavorful, flavorsome. The aroma is just inviting you and me to eat. Let's enjoy. You're all invited at my table. Come on and eat. Let's enjoy pancit, noodle, spaghetti. Appetizing, savory, pleasant, delicious, tempting, exquisite, pleasant smell. Fresh, pure, and wholesome. Happy cooking. Cheerful, blissful cooking. Yum. Gourmet, indeed. Enjoy.